Hello doctors, I'm Dr. Vivek from ISHR. ISHR is into Advanced Hair Restoration Fellowship Program. We train qualified doctors across India and across the world into the field of hair restoration. We just don't teach you the technical and the hands-on aspects of the hair restoration. We give you the best protocols on planet Earth. What is the latest? What makes a great hair transplant? What mistakes you do for a poor hair transplant? How you can have a safe hair transplant? Then we help you how to set up your clinic. What do you require? What should be the flow of your clinic? What do you require in the minor operation theater? What instruments you require? Where to buy the best equipment at the best price? Then we also give you senior trained technicians in hair restoration, because hair restoration is a surgeon and technician combination work. So initially you cannot become top surgeon in such a short span of time. So we provide you 5 to 10 years experience or good experience hair technician who's going to help you out with 2 nurses when you start your practice. Now we provide hair transplant technicians and the paramedical staff across the globe, everywhere. We have the database. We are in touch with the best. So we train you, we help you set up a center, then how to compete with the best in your city. So we devise a plan, we tell you how can you be visible in the crowd, how you can project yourself one of the better hair transplant surgeon or dermatologist, okay? So we help you both digitally, presence, videos on hair restoration and much more. So if you look at your presence, we train you how to shoot great videos on hair restoration. We tell you how to develop processes, systems, how to use AI to promote yourself in hair restoration. You may be in different parts of the world. What sort of a clinic model would be more attractive to succeed in your part of the world? Does medical tourism apply to your part of the world? So it's a 360 degree technical, protocol, safety, quality, manpower, running of a clinic, process, software, AI systems, using AI to empower you better, understand your city, understand the market of hair restoration in your city and your country. How do you differentiate? How do you visible in the crowd separately? What differentiator you offer? Why the patient should come to you? How to shoot great videos? How to excel in the field of digital world? How to use AI into your business model or clinical model? So today's world, unfortunately, it's not just the best surgeon who's going to win the race or get the best patients. You got to project yourself also better. So we are, I think, the only training academy in the world who gave a combination of these 360 degree. So if you want to know more, WhatsApp in the number below. Have one-on-one session with one of our counselors who are going to study who you are, what is your qualification, what is your present earnings, what are your skill sets, where do you want to start your hair restoration practice, what revenues can you earn in this field in your country, in your city, what are the legalities, what are the taxations, what is the potential in your city, what sort of revenues you can earn in the field of hair restoration. So before you enter the journey of hair restoration, talk to one of our doctor who knows in and out of this field, since we are into this field for 15, 17 years, and we have been traveling worldwide, attending the best of conferences, and we have trained 800 plus doctors from across the world, not just technically, but also setting up their clinics and making them profitable and with higher revenues. So what you can do is put down your WhatsApp number, your qualification, which city you are in, are you having your own setup or you're working somewhere. Then you should have a 30-minute chat with one of our senior faculty who is going to discuss with you A to Z about hair restoration, the technical part and the business part, and then you may decide whether you want to pursue this field, add on this practice to you. Let me tell you, in the Western world, an average cost of a hair transplant surgery is $5,000 to $15,000 US. Okay, same for the pounds. And in the developing countries, it will be anywhere around $1,000 to $3,000. Okay, so there's a huge potential right from America, Canada, UK, Europe, Indonesia, Malaysia, Middle East, Africa. Of course, there are certain cities in India which is saturated, Turkey which is saturated, but then we have options of medical tourism. So let us identify where you practice and let you know what sort of revenues you can earn. And of course, it requires time to learn hair transplant. It's not an overnight job. But if you don't have too much time, at least you can begin. Now you need a great junior doctor or a senior hair transplant technician with you, so that you may learn whatever time you can give it to us. But then as you start your own practice, your 2 nurses, your senior technician or a junior doctor, and you, over a period of 1 year, you can learn in your own setup also. We have both the option. You can fly to Mumbai for advanced training, or you keep patients, we'll discuss legality, then our plastic surgeon or dermatologist, then our team will fly to you, your place, and teach you in your center, in your setup. Of course, the legality points, the costing points we'll have to discuss.